What if I told you there's a superfood packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that grows in just 2 weeks? Meet pea shoots, the tiny greens with massive health benefits. Pea shoots are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. These tender, young leaves of the pea plant are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. One of the most significant advantages of consuming pea shoots is their high vitamin C content, which plays a crucial role in strengthening the immune system. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, helping the body fight off infections more effectively. Additionally, it acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that contribute to chronic diseases and aging. Pea shoots also provide a rich source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and cellular function. Their beta-carotene content supports eye health by reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and other vision-related conditions. Another major benefit of pea shoots is their impressive vitamin K content, which is vital for blood clotting and bone health. This vitamin helps regulate calcium in the body, ensuring it is deposited in bones rather than arteries, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. People who consume vitamin K-rich foods like pea shoots tend to have stronger bones and a lower likelihood of fractures. Furthermore, pea shoots contain folate, an essential B vitamin that plays a key role in DNA synthesis and cell division. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women, as it aids in fetal development and reduces the risk of neural tube defects. It also supports cardiovascular health by regulating homocysteine levels, an amino acid linked to heart disease when present in excessive amounts. Beyond their vitamin profile, pea shoots are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health and regulates blood sugar levels. Fiber aids in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome by feeding beneficial bacteria, which in turn supports digestion and strengthens the immune system. A fiber-rich diet helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements, reducing the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, fiber plays a crucial role in weight management by providing a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake, and helping with appetite control. Since pea shoots are low in calories yet high in fiber, they make an ideal choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing essential nutrients. Another remarkable feature of pea shoots is their high antioxidant content, which helps protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and carotenoids present in pea shoots neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. These compounds also have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the symptoms of conditions like arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory disorders. By incorporating more antioxidant-rich foods like pea shoots into the diet, individuals can enhance their overall health, improve longevity, and maintain youthful, vibrant skin. The presence of chlorophyll in pea shoots further enhances their detoxifying properties by promoting liver function and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. In addition to their health benefits, pea shoots are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into various meals. Their mild, slightly sweet flavor complements a wide range of dishes, making them an excellent addition to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and stir-fries. Unlike mature pea plants, which take months to grow, pea shoots can be harvested in just 2 to 3 weeks, making them a sustainable and efficient source of nutrition. They can be grown indoors or outdoors with minimal effort, allowing individuals to enjoy fresh, organic greens year-round. Their rapid growth cycle and nutrient density make them a favorite among health-conscious individuals and urban gardeners alike. Whether consumed raw or lightly cooked, pea shoots provide an abundance of essential nutrients, making them one of the most nutritious and delicious greens available. From boosting immunity to supporting digestion and bone health, pea shoots are a true nutritional powerhouse. Start adding them to your diet today and experience their incredible benefits firsthand.